from the to the purchase separator. Why this is correct, right? Because ultimately, if you see, if there is low pressure, that means slag catcher will have high level, and there is a low flow.
Low flow to the.
But to be honest, I remember in trend 6, I mean, I'm just sharing my experience. When we said there is a low pressure, so ultimately this will go on the blocked outlet case, because ultimately the level will go high, and it will start flooding from here, from the KO drum. So this is blocked outlet case, and there is high pressure, and then this will create LOPC. Then your hips will initiate. That I think I remember we have considered trend 6. But anyway, I will go with this one, right, Khalid? And I will consider this one.
No, you see, if there is if this low pressure, it cannot be blocked outlet case, right? What will happen is you don't have pressure, or you will have level. So finally, when the level high, right?
Yeah.
It will be pressurizing it, right?
Yeah,
it will be carried over to
ultimately,
the KOD.
Yes. Ultimately, if there is a low pressure or low flow, that means your liquid level is building up, and ultimately the liquid will start going to the KO drum, and then this will create blocked outlet case. Then this will create LOPC case. But anyway, we'll go with this hedgehog so that we don't misunderstand. Correct?
Yeah.
What is response time here? What is response time?
It will be again immediate. It's immediate, Chairman, because you open at PC bit to flare.
Okay.
It will just equalize to that pressure.
The escalation of the pressure will be very high.
See, this is ESD function, right? ESD function, ESD safety
very
function.
quick.
ESD or process
No,
safety?
this is not ESD. This is a process alarm. Right? Process alarm.
Here,
Yeah.
this is 2B. We are saying 2B.
This is again 2B. Yeah. See 2B.
And we say medium. Why we say medium? Let us go here. Response time is immediate.
Then we have P1.
P1. Medium. Why you've taken medium? We will go here.
Medium because of the cost, because of the production loss.
Yeah, production loss. So that is medium severity.